Sunday. Hi, hello, welcome. Today's drawing video is about an anime character. Stop, what happened if you don't know the anime character? You can see how I paint.
There is nothing else in the whole video except coloring.
There is a word called light and shadow. Today is no more talk. Now let's work.
Let it go. You've got to forget about revenge.
What?
Believe me, in this work I've met a lot of guys who feel the way you do. Trust me, for those who follow the path of revenge, it never ends well. You'll only tear yourself apart. And even if you succeed and you get your revenge, what will you have then? Nothing. Emptiness.
Shut up! What makes you think you know anything about it? It's easy for you to talk. You have no idea!
Easy. Just try to calm down.
Maybe if I was to kill the most important people in your life, everyone who's ever meant anything, maybe then I'd listen to you. Because maybe then you'd have some idea how I feel.
It's an interesting theory, but I'm afraid you're a little late to put it to the test. Everyone you're talking about has already been killed.
Let's get going then, Captain.
Obito, for the sake of the team, you stepped up and compromised that day. If only I'd accepted the offer of friendship that you extended to me. If I'd embraced that little sign you gave me.
Here.
What is... Huh?
Obito, did you see that? I'll never ever forget about you or Rin.
Kakashi.
Kakashi.
You pass. But I think that for now, I'm going to move forward with some new comrades. Naruto, Sasuke, Sakura. I'm going to believe in you. And Obito, Rin, I'll make you both a promise. I'll believe in my comrades and never let them die.
The exercise is over. Everyone passes. Squad 7 starts its first mission tomorrow.
Kakashi, it's you.
Itachi with those crazy eyes. You're Kakashi, aren't you? The copy ninja.
Well, it takes quite a lot for me to lose my temper too, you know. But after this mess, I've reached my boiling point. I'm Kakashi, the copy ninja. I know 1,000 jutsu, and now I'll use them all and live up to my name. To the true essence of the copy ninja.
I can't copy that. It seems kind of impossible.
Idiot! Are you an idiot?
Damn it!
If you have watched the video this far, give it a like. And comment if you want to see drawing or craft. Maybe the next video is based on your comment. Bye bye.